What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So before we get started with today's video, I just want to give a big praise and thank you to everybody. I'm getting nothing but great, awesome, positive feedback on this camera. You know, just as much as you guys like this content, I love making content with this camera because I know you guys will enjoy it a lot better. Being the microphone, the focus, just everything about this camera is freaking awesome. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, you know, a lot of people, they forget to turn on their post notifications. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you have your post notifications turned on, and you follow me on my social media, my Instagram. We can be friends on Facebook, and you can add me on Snapchat. So what we're going to do today, we're going to root the factory head unit on our car. This is actually my second attempt at trying to make this video. The first attempt failed. I tried to do it through my laptop, through downloading Honda Hack and using an A to A cable, which is a USB to USB. So a USB for my laptop and then a USB plugged into my head unit. And I tried to get Honda Hack to work and it did not. So what I ended up having to do was I had to email a developer for the root, and I'll have his email right here. Email him, tell him what year your Honda is, your tension, and that you're trying to do the root, and could you please give me the authorization code. That's all I did. He emailed me back in like an hour, and then yeah, so now I'm going to show you all how we rooted our head unit to. I now have Waze app on there, I now have YouTube, and I have Netflix, and then I have the Ktunerview app, which is the app that I really wanted. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let's roll right into it. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect my iPhone to the car. Make sure that, all right, so that's successfully connected. Let's go back home. Let's go here. Let's just go to youtube.com and see if this works. youtube.com. Oh, boom, it works. So cool, it's pulling up what I was doing last time. All right, so now we're going to go to the link. We're going to need to search the web. I'm going to go here and clear all that out. All right, the link we're going to go to is http:// okay, autohack.cn/root -en. Let's go and see what that does. Honda Hack remote view, Civic CRV, nice. Go ahead and hit the next arrow. Please enter the authorization code. Okay, I can do that because I have one. Okay, my authorization code is 721-375-3759-170. Done. Hit OK, and let's see what happens. Processing. Please do not close the browser. Okay, so I'll update you guys in just a second. I'm gonna let this thing take its course. In the email he did say it takes 3 to 5 minutes, so fingers crossed this works, and if it does, I'll show you all the process or show you what happens next after you do the root. Alright, so as you can see right here, a couple minutes has passed by and it still says processing, do not close the browser. If it does not complete within 10 minutes, please long press the home button and clear out all tasks and try again. Alright, so it says the Honda Hack has started. Optimizing settings, I don't know what that means. Please long press the audio button for 5 seconds and select reboot to make the changes take effect. You can use Honda Hack to install other apps after the head unit is restarted. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hold the audio button for 5 seconds like it said. Hold the audio button. Okay, got the audio button pressed. Would you like to reboot? Yes. Awesome. So it looks like the root is working. So once this screen gets fired back up, and we should be able to install apps and get the Tunerview app and Waze apps and all kind of different apps. So I'm excited for that. And yes, I will be getting Netflix on here also. All right, so it looks like that was a success. As you can see right there, we now have Honda Hack. So we're going to go to install and uninstall apps. Install apps from the online store. Look at that right there. First one, the Waze app. Netflix, that's awesome. I wonder if there is a way. Let's see, install apps from local disk. All right, that's awesome. That's cool. So let's try that out. Let's go ahead and install Waze app. Okay, install that. Oh man, look how, man, that's awesome. That's just all being tethered from my cell phone too. That's freaking awesome. So that may take a minute, just as soon as the Waze apps gets done downloading, and then yeah, we'll go from there, and I'll show you how all the apps work. So just to recap, I had to email the developer, just like you will. I'll have his email up on the screen. Email him, tell him what year your car is and that you're trying to do the Honda hack, and you're trying to root your head unit, and he sent me an email back within an hour. And it worked, you know, seamless. Make sure you tether either your cell phone or your home Wi-Fi to your head unit, and go to that link. You'll hit the green play button like I did. Enter your code, and then boom, then the root starts. So that was freaking awesome. So now Waze apps is or the Waze app is still downloading, and then once it gets done downloading, I'm also going to download YouTube as well. All right, guys. So one of the main reasons why we rooted our head unit was so we could have our V2 display on the actual head unit itself. So if you haven't, you're going to need to update your firmware. It's like 1.07.7, and then you'll need to download the Tunerview Lite APK onto a little flash drive, a little dump drive, and then once you do that, you'll now see on the Ktuner itself, we'll have a Bluetooth pin. You need to go in and disable that pin. I'll show you that just in just 1 second. Okay, as you can see here, we now have Bluetooth pin. Go ahead and click BT pin, hit disable. Oh, I'm hitting disable, but is it really disabling it? What? Bluetooth pin, hit disable, and then you're good to go. All right, so off camera, just to reiterate the steps, we went to Bluetooth pin, we hit disabled. I went into my Bluetooth main menu. I hit add new device or scan for devices, and now you see Ktuner Flash V2. We're gonna go ahead and click that. We're gonna let the Bluetooth actually connect with the car. All right, so after we figured out that the Ktuner is now connected via Bluetooth, you're gonna go to the Honda installer. Okay, you're gonna go to install an app, and right below it says select the APK file you want to install. Okay, you're gonna click this folder, and then for me, I'm under USB drive 2. Okay, we're gonna scroll up to my SI folder. Okay, and then Tunerview Lite APK, that's what we want to install. And it's now gonna say preparing to install, just like it is now, and now it says installing. So this should only take about, I don't know, maybe 20-30 seconds for it to install. Okay, after it's done installing, you'll get a little message, installation completed successfully. Please restart the head unit. So like I mentioned before, in order to restart the head unit, you're gonna hold down the audio button for 5 seconds, and it'll ask you, do you wanna reboot? Yes, and then now the head unit's gonna reboot, and then we'll be able to go into our apps and use the Ktuner Lite app. All right, so the head unit has been restarted. Let's go and open up the app for the first time. All right, so here is the Ktuner home menu. Everything looks good. What you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to slide to the right, and then hit connect, and it's gonna ask you what you want to connect. Obviously the Ktuner. Okay, I did that wrong. I want it to automatically connect every time. All right, so we're gonna redo that. Okay, so we're gonna slide here, hit connect. We're gonna do auto connect. And so every time that my car is turned on and connected and I have this app open, this is now going to automatically be connected via Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and fire the car up. Get some real live feed. So this is freaking awesome, guys. That is freaking awesome. I am so glad that works. So what I'm gonna do is this video was just for installation purposes only. So I will be doing a review on the Tuner Lite View app. So we got everything installed. and we got the Ktuner now displaying. We now have Waze app. I'm gonna go back and download the YouTube app and the Netflix app just because I think that'd be cool to have. So remember, down in the description, I'm gonna have that guy's email. You need to email him, tell him what year your car is, and tell him you would like to root your head unit. He'll send you a code. Mine was sent to me in less than an hour. And then you tether your phone to your head unit. Go to the link, hit the green play button. It'll ask you for your authentication code. Type that in, hit go. Once it's done, in literally 3 to 5 minutes, it'll be done. And then you'll have the Honda hack and the Honda installer. And then you need to make sure that your Ktuner firmware software is updated. And then on a little USB thumb drive that I have, that you update, or not update, that you put the APK file for the Tunerview app on here, and that'll allow you to download it from your head unit just like that. How we went in and it said install from APK file. Go find this device, go find the APK file, and then let it download. Then you'll connect your, you need to make sure your Ktuner unit is, Bluetooth is disabled, and then you connect the head unit to the V2 via Bluetooth, and then you swipe left on the screen. You hit the Ktuner device, and then I always hit always connect on mine. So as soon as the app is open, it automatically connect to the Ktuner. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, which I know you will because I had lots of questions. So if anybody who's watching this video, you helped me out today, thank you guys so much for that. And if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and like I mentioned, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks. Peace.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.